Doncic into play. Then as Doncic has some room and throws it down. Oh, Luka Doncic. Set to come back in for Madrid. Doesn't get it. The rebound from Doncic. He's away. Feeds Ion. Shooting skills to get in for Ray. Luka Doncic with the exclamation point.
Ain't got a dollar to my name. Just living gig to gig straight. Caught up in the flame. Sleeping in my car. Hoping to sell a disc. Cause you're wanting it so bad. You're tasting it on your lips. Get a pen and paint a picture of the pen and pull the ladder. Whether it's pitter patter, people broken jabs, or well, it doesn't matter. Cause this hurt won't all be forever. I'm keeping my head high.
Fin de posesión, 5 segundos, estos para el gente de Mundial. Acaba Doncic. Está ganando, no está en el bolsillo de Doncic. Ahí está, invita a bailar, que Michael por aquí no, por aquí está Sopa de ¿Qué ha hecho? ¡Qué maravilla! ¡Qué canastón acaba de hacer Luka Doncic! ¡Lo devuelve! Every night and I pray, asking Lord let him hear, I got something to say. There's a fear out there and it's coming your way. Don't let it stop you from living for what you were made. It's not a dream, it's a destiny. Blessed is he when the whole world listens to this mess in me. There's a message inside what you get from me. A little life, little love, that's a recipe. So when the world is crashing down and you feel the weight on your shoulders, try to pick it up but you're steady stacking the boulders. Every day's a gift, never miss it getting older. Blessing in the struggle, know that you're just on the road to a life you were born to live. So I wake up every day and just give it what I'm born to give. Everything in me and nothing less, while this heart's still beating up inside my chest. This is my day, this is my night, this is my pain, this is my life, this is what I was born to do.